2023 Toyota Tacoma first look, fewer cylinders but more of everything else. The V6 is gone, but the new Tacoma's 326 HP hybrid is a worthy replacement and just one of the new truck's highlights. Ruggedness and strong reputation for the Toyota Tacoma has been long overdue for replacement, but its reliability have kept it in contention in the midsize pickup segment even at the end of its life. Fortunately, an all-new Tacoma has been revealed and brings with it more efficient engines, new styling, and a capable Trailhunter trim that will likely be an exceptional off-roader. Americans are being treated to an all-new Ford Ranger as well, and together with the completely redesigned Chevrolet Colorado, it's shaping up to be a heated battle in this battle of the midsize trucks. When is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma coming out? The release date for the Toyota Tacoma will be later in 2023, but the models with the more powerful iForce Max engine will only be coming out in the USA in early 2024. What's the price of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma? The price of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma hasn't been made public yet, but the 2023 Tacoma starts at $28,250 for the SR trim with the less practical access cab body style, so we expect the new one to begin at an MSRP of around $30,000. With a new hybrid powertrain, the Tacoma is likely to cost quite a bit more at the higher end of the lineup, with fully loaded models probably exceeding $55,000. The midsize truck segment is undergoing quite a metamorphosis, with Chevrolet releasing a new Colorado for 2023. It starts at under $30,000 for the work truck version, while the top spec model costs upwards of $46,000. But it's the 2024 Ford Ranger that will be one of the Tacoma's fiercest rivals. It has a base MSRP of $32,565. New Toyota Tacoma exterior and colors. The exterior design of the new Toyota Tacoma pickup truck was inspired by the outdoor adventures that many Toyota buyers use their trucks for, and that is reflected in the bold, powerful lines. In fact, Toyota's designers used the theme, Badass Adventure Machine, as a quote when penning the new Tacoma, which explains features like the prominent skid plates, side functional air intakes, and large fenders. Both extra cab and double cab body styles will be available. There is a hexagonal grille motif, and the newly styled headlamps are mounted high on the body. On base SR models, there are 17-inch wheels which grow to 18 inches in various designs, depending on the trim. As with most pickups, the rear aspect is less intimidating than the front, with simple rectangular taillights on either side of the tailgate. As you work your way through the range, the Tacoma becomes even sportier to look at. The TRD off-road is available with 33-inch tires and black wheels, while the Limited comes with power running boards, a power tailgate, signature headlamps, and 18-inch chrome-clad wheels. The two most capable off-road models are the TRD Pro and Trailhunter, and both are appropriately dressed for the occasion. The TRD Pro has 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires, a Toyota Heritage grille with an integrated LED light bar, rigid LED fog lamps, a two-tone roof, and an up steel rear bumper with red recovery hooks. The Trailhunter is a new trim for the 2024 Tacoma and enjoys rigid white, amber switchable LED fog lamps, frame-mounted rock rails, a high-mount air intake, and 18-inch bronze Trailhunter wheels. One of the most striking colors for the Toyota Tacoma is bronze oxide, and a new color unique to the TRD Pro will be announced later. Other options are supersonic red, blue crush metallic, underground, windshield pearl, solar octane, celestial silver metallic, black, and ice cap. वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।